Hey guys, Kevin here. Today I'm going to stuff a turkey with some fresh, fragrant herbs. Then I'm going to dry brine the bird. Since today is Monday, the turkey will be ready for roasting on Thursday. And Thursday just happens to be Thanksgiving Day. For the herbs, I'm using a Scarborough Fair collection of parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. My sincere apologies to Simon and Garfunkel. And by the way, these are about, 2 tablespoons or so of herbs that I stripped from their stems. And I'm putting them in the food processor because I want to pulverize them. Although you could certainly chop them up with a knife if you like. And now I need to add about a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. On goes the lid, bang, and we're going to pulse to pulverize. I think we're good. We are. On to the turkey. So what I have here is a 13.88, that's like 13 3/4 pound turkey, and it's organic. It has not been injected with saline solution or anything like that. And honestly, an organic turkey is really the best turkey. And I've removed all of the giblets and the turkey neck. Hello in there. And I've also removed this silly little pop-up thermometer. They really don't work. You're better off using a meat probe or an instant read thermometer. And what we're going to do is loosen the skin on the turkey, like so. And as you can see, I'm wearing gloves. That way I don't have to continually wash my hands. And you want to really loosen it up. So get way in there as far as you can. And also, if possible, loosen the skin around the leg. That's not too hard to do. And I hope you can see okay. I should tell you that my husband, long before he met me, hosted a Thanksgiving party, and he cooked the turkey. And let me tell you, he is really a non-cook. And he left the plastic bag that contained the giblets and the turkey neck in the bird because he didn't know better. And he roasted it. And he told me that all of his guests kept mentioning that they could smell like burning plastic coming from his oven. And sure enough, he had melted plastic in his bird. So that party was kind of ruined. So now, next step, we're going to take this beautiful herbal paste and stuff it under the skin. And this is a technique I actually learned from Fine Cooking magazine. Although I think they used a different combination of herbs. And speaking of herbs, you could even add some garlic to your herb paste if you would like. I didn't add any because I don't want a garlicky turkey. And in we go, and just rub that in. And the turkey's going to look kind of cool when we finish with the herbs, because you're going to be able to see all this green leafy matter through the skin. Have a look. And let me adjust the camera, and we can get down to the dry brine. The dry brine is nothing more than kosher salt. If you're using Morton kosher salt, then you'll want to use, about a 1/4 cup. Well, that's enough for a 16-pound bird, but since my bird only weighs slightly less than 14 pounds, I'm going to use slightly less than a 1/4 cup. And if you're using diamond crystal kosher salt, then use slightly more. And you rub the salt into the turkey skin like so. And unfortunately, you may have noticed in the last clip that I was rather aggressive with my turkey skin and I made a hole. But this will be sealed up when I put the legs back together. And just rub-a-dub-dub the salt into the turkey skin. And what the brine does, or what the salt does, is, I don't even know if I can explain what it does, but I think it alters the fibers in the turkey flesh. It softens them, and somehow this leads to a very moist bird after it roasts. And I used to wet brine my turkeys, but oh, what a pain in the neck that was. You need a great big bucket and you add a lot of water, a lot of salt, sugar and spices, and the sugar and spices may not even penetrate the flesh of the turkey. And then you have to boil this stuff, and then you have to let it cool, then you have to add ice, and then you put the turkey in the bucket, and you have to find room in your refrigerator, and blah, blah, blah. So it is much, much easier to just do the dry brine. And when you've finished, you can either tie the legs or try to put them back into the little plastic clamp, which I'm having a little trouble doing, but there, I got it. And that's it. And I'm going to grab a couple of oven bags, and I'll come right back to show you the next step. Okay, I'm back, and I had to run to the hardware store to buy some kitchen twine because I realized this little clamp wasn't doing a great job of holding the legs together. And since I tore the skin, I needed the legs to be really tight. So I just tied them together with the kitchen twine. Not hard to do. Anyway, when you do this turkey, just be a little more gentle than I was when you're putting the herbs under the skin. Now we need a couple of oven bags or brining bags. If you can't find brining bags, just get oven bags. And there's usually 2 in a package, and I doubled mine. And then put the bird in the bag. Like so. Oh, did I forget to tuck the wings under? Yes, I did. No, I did not. Did you see me tuck the wings under? I don't remember. Oh well. Let me show you. If your turkey wings look like this, they're loose and floppy, just fold at the joint or at the elbow and tuck them under the bird. Then into the bag or the double bag. The turkey goes. And come on, get in there, you. Here we go. And then take a roasting pan or a baking sheet and put a rack on it, preferably a V rack. And you can tie up the bag. Well, I'll do that off camera. And this goes into the refrigerator for 3 days. And what you do is every day, flip the bird. Actually, that didn't come outright. Turn the bird. And that way, well, something will happen. That's just what you're supposed to do. Turn the bird once every day. It's probably to get the juices to flow in different directions. And really, that's all there is to brining a turkey. And again, it's 3 days of brining. And then the night before you wish to roast the turkey, remove it from the bags and let it just sit on the roasting rack in the refrigerator so the whole bird dries out. And I'm going to return tomorrow to make some turkey stock because I have these giblets and the turkey neck to use. And on Thursday, Thanksgiving Day, I hope to show you how to roast the bird, and I'll even show you the finished product. That's the plan anyway. So thanks so much for watching. Let me lean down so I could say goodbye. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now. Okay, I'm back. I found the twist tie that came in the little box that the bags came in. So twist the plastic. You really want to seal it because a lot of juices are going to come out of this turkey, I think. And pull to tighten the tie. And that's it. I'm going to start this breast side up, and tomorrow I will turn the bird breast side down. And again, I'll see you tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have a comment, please post it below. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.